Installing Kali Linux on Mac OS Sonoma is not a big deal. I install Kali Linux for penetration testing and ethical hacking on my Mac. Now let's try to log into Kali Linux from Mac OS and run couple of commands. Hostname -f. All the links you will find in the video description. Open first link, but it is paid version. We will show you free version. Open second link from step 2. Now here is a free version. Click on download. It is around 300 MB, not big file size. Okay. Once it is download, now we will move to step 2. You will see the file. Now step 3 is Kali Linux download. From main Kali Linux page, you will see download. Click on it and it will open another page. Scroll down. Now installer image. Select Apple Silicon ARM64. Download recommended installer. It is around 4 GB, like 3.4 GB. Once it is download, we'll move to next step. Now we have both UTM and Kali Linux ISO image. Now install UTM, double click on it and drag application and put it on applications. Within few seconds, you will see it's there in our application. Now we will open UTM, close this installer window. Then it will ask some messages we have downloaded from internet. Click on open. It will give some warning. Now click on continue. Click on create new virtual machine. Click on virtualize. Now select Linux because we are installing Kali Linux. Now select from browse option, select the image. You remember we downloaded, yes, 4 GB around. Open. Now continue. I am keeping everything default. I am not touching any settings. Everything is default. Right? Now I will click on continue. 64 GB storage required. Share directory. Yeah, I am using this. Click on share in read on and select your folder, whatever you want to share. Now click on continue. Here I will change name to Kali Linux. Kali space Linux. Click on save. Before starting, just right click on it, click edit, then go to device, new, serial. Then we will click on save. Now click on play button. You will see two windows we have. Here is one, this is another one. Once click on install. Now we have to select language, English, your location and keyboard. Now network, hostname Kali and then continue, domain name Kali, continue. Set up username and password. Type your username, continue. Again, continue. Now type your password. Click continue, re-enter password to verify, continue. Now it will set up the clock. Select Eastern. I am selecting. Now once it's complete, guide use entire disk. We will select this option. Now it's giving error. I don't have that much space. So I am selecting use entire disk option, second option. But in your case, you don't see any error like this. Now I am selecting all fine in one partition. In your case, this is not there. Now click on yes. It will directly from this installation the base system. Now software selection, select desktop environment and click on continue. It will take some time. Now installation completed. Click on continue. Now it will reboot. Now we are back to installation screen. Now we'll close UTM. Before opening UTM, just go down and click on clear. So it will clear. Now it will boot from iOS image which we installed. Now here it will open two windows, one terminal kind of window and another one GUI. So I will show you both the way. Login, username and password. Hit enter. Now we'll move to GUI. Click UTM and type your username. Okay. Type your username and password. Then click login. Now you have nice Kali Linux within your Mac operating system. You see everything is there. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.